This meeting is being recorded.
Right. Good morning, greetings, and good morning, everyone. Today, I would like to present my research entitled Integrating GIS and AI for Inclusive Socio-Environmental Development. So this is the content that I'm going to highlight for today. There are 7 criteria, okay, 7 category. Right, so the first thing first is introductions to GIS and AI integration. So here we will see what is GIS actually. GIS is a tools, okay, is very powerful tools that capture, store, analysis, and manage special geographical data, facilitating informs decision makings in various fields. So must remember that GIS is actually a tools that help to capture, okay, help to capture all the information regarding on a surface. Meanwhile, when we discuss about AI encompasses a range of technologies that enables machines to stimulate humans' cognitive functions, such as learning, problem solving, and decision making, enhance various applications. So AI is actually can be defined as like a human that who actually functions to such as learning process and also help or enhance in the end in the problem solving as well as the decision making. So enhanced data analysis. Why the importance of integrations? There are 2 things, which is enhanced data analysis, improve the decision-making processes. So the enhanced data analysis is the integrations of GIS and AIs allow for sophisticated data analysis, enabling the extractions of deeper insights from complex dataset through advanced algorithms and spatial analytics. While improved decision-making process is by combining GIS, spatial context with AI predictive capabilities, organizations can significantly enhance their decision-making process, leading to a more effective strategies and also the solution. So the rules of AI and AI in the social environmental development. Okay, the first thing first is mapping vulnerable population, analyze the resource distribution. So in mapping vulnerable population, it's utilizing GIS technologies to identify and visualize the areas with high concentrations of vulnerable populations, enabling targeted interventions and resources allocations to improve living conditions. While analyzing resources distributions, is employing AI algorithm to assess and visualize the distributions of resources, helping supervisors to identify gaps and inequalities that can address to enhance socioeconomic equity. Okay, so when we talk about AI and also GIS, okay, definitely it involved with the environmental. So here, environmental impact assessment, it is got 2 main category, which is predictive modeling for environmental changes and also real-time monitoring environmental indicator. So first thing first is using advanced GIS and AI tools to forecast potential environmental changes and their impacts, providing supervisors with crucial data for planning and decision-making processes. Meanwhile, real-time monitoring of environmental indicator is implementing real-time data collections and analysis of environmental indicator, allowing for timely responses to changes and better management of socio-environmental issues. So third thing, evidence based on the decision making. So first thing first, data collections and management. Sources of geospatial data. Understanding various sources of geospatial data is critical for decision making. This includes satellite imagery, GPS data, survey, and public records, which provide insights for analysis. While AI techniques for data processing, AI techniques such as machine learning and data mining enhance data processing efficiency. They enables the extractions of meaningful patterns from vast geospatial data sets to inform strategic decisions. So the policy formulations and evaluation, utilizing GIS for policy visualization. GIS or Geographic Information System facilitates the visualizations of data, helping supervisors understand spatial relationship and trends which can inform the formulations and evaluations of effective policy. While AI-driven policy impact analysis, AI-driven analysis allow for robust simulations of policy outcomes, enabling supervisors to predict impacts and effectiveness. This helps in refining policy based on data-driven insights and empirical evidence. So the case study in ASEAN, okay, the first thing first example is the urban planning. The second one is disaster management, which is considering as application or applied throughout the Asian country. Okay, so urban planning in Asian countries has been innovative applications of GIS and AI, leading to optimize land use, improve infrastructure plannings, and enhance community engagements through data-driven decision-making. While disaster management, GIS and AI technologies have been pivotal in actions for disaster management, enabling real-time data analysis, predictive modeling for disaster scenarios, and efficient resources allocations during emergencies to save life. So, although the project's considering success, however, it's also faced some challenge. Okay, the challenges faced. Regional projects in Asia have encountered challenges such as data accessibility, technological gaps, and coordinations among stakeholders, emphasizing the needs for collaborative frameworks and standardizes the practices. While best practice identified is the best practice include fostering public-private partnership, enhance capacity buildings, and adopting adaptive project management strategies to ensure sustainability and scalability of GIS and AI initiative across the region. So the challenge in integration, okay, technical barriers, data compatibility issues, and infrastructure limitation. So in compatibility issues arise when different systems or platforms cannot be effective communicate or interpret share data formats, leading to disruptions in data flow and analysis. While infrastructure limitation is referred to the inadequacy of existing hardware or software resources that can impede the integrations of new technologies, impacting overall system performance and user experience. So the ethical consideration, we have two, which is privacy concern and the bias in AI algorithm. Okay, privacy concern highlight the risk associated with the data collections and usage emphasizing the needs for robust policy to protect sensitive information and maintain user trust. Bias in AI, again, can result from skewed data sets or flawed programmings, leading to unfair outcomes and reinforcing existing stereotypes, thus raising ethical questions about the AI deployment. So the future direction for GIS and AI, okay, the imaging technologies advanced in machine learning. Machine learning is evolving rapidly. It offers a new algorithms and techniques that enhance data processing, predictive analytics, and the outcomes, the automations of GIS tasks for better decision making. While innovative in remote sensing, recent innovations in remote sensing such as high resolutions satellite imagery and UAV technologies provides enhanced spatial data collection capabilities, improving the accuracy and applicability of GIS analysis. So the policy recommendation. framework for collaboration, and the strategies for capacity building. Okay, establishing the first thing, okay, the first in frameworks for collaboration, establishing a framework for collaboration among stakeholders is essential to synchronize efforts in GIS and AI advancement, promoting innovations and resources sharing across various sectors. Strategies for capacity building. Implementing strategies for capacity building is critical to equip professionals with the necessary skills and knowledge in GIS and AI, fostering a knowledgeable workforce ready to tackle future challenge. And the last thing, summary of the key insight. Recap of integration benefits. The integrations within ASEAN foster economic growth, enhance regional cooperations, and strengthen collective security, benefiting members, states, and their citizens alike. The path followed for ASEAN, emphasizing collaborative strategy. These sections outlines future initiative policies and frameworks needed to sustain and enhance Asian integration's effectiveness, and the call for action, encouraging stakeholders engagement, and the last one, promoting inclusive development. So encouraging stakeholders engagement, we must mobilize diverse stakeholders to contribute their perspective and resources, creating a more holistic approach toward regional development and integration. And the second one is promoting inclusive development. It is a vital to ensure that all segments of society benefits from regional policies, fostering equality and sustainable growth across Asian member states. And thank you. That's all from me. If you have any question, you can drop by email to me. I'm Kean Hua 888 at um.edu.my. Thank you.